Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about normality, right? So normality is the number of, what is that? Normality is equal to the number of gram equivalent of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Is it? So normality is equal to number of gram equivalent of solute upon volume of solution in liters. So by cross multiplication we can say that N into V is equal to the number of gram equivalent of solute. Is it okay? So for neutralization, the number of gram equivalent weight of solute of one solution means acid must be equal to the number of gram equivalent weight of base. Then complete neutralization will take place. Then we can say that N1V1 is equal to N2V2. So this formula we can obtain from this place. Now we are talking about normality again. The normality is what? The number of gram equivalent weight of solute. So what is the number of gram equivalent of solute? Is it okay? It is equal to the weight upon equivalent weight. So simple. Number of gram equivalent weight of solute is equal to weight of solute upon equivalent weight of solute. And what is equivalent weight? You know very well. That is equal to molecular mass upon X factor. Molecular mass, you know that molecular mass of solute will be kept to get the equivalent weight of solute. Now what is X factor? So X factor is basicity for acid, matlab how many hydrogen it will donate, and acidity for bases, it means how many hydroxyl ion a base can donate, and valency in case of metal, total positive charge on cation in salt. If the salt is there, so suppose it is given Na2SO4, then what will be the X factor? It will be 2 positive charge, 1 positive charge on each sodium ion. So you will take 2 is the X factor for Na2SO4, and for MgSO4 you will again take 2 because magnesium has what? 2 positive charge. So if you will get the final formula of the normality, then normality is equal to, we can put all the things together. So weight upon molecular mass, X factor, it will go up, and volume of solution is there. So it will be the molarity. So normality is equal to what? Normality is equal to molarity. This is the molarity, W upon MV into X factor, right? So we can get these formulas also. Is it? The normality we can calculate by these formula. If we know the molarity, we can calculate the normality. We must know the X factor, right? Then if X factor is 1, then molarity and normality will be same. Then N1V1 is equal to N2V2 we can use, but we cannot use M1V1 is equal to M2V2 due to the different X factor. But if the acid is same or bases is same, we are calculating the molarity of same bases at different dilution, then we can use M1V1 is equal to M2V2.